My name is Matthew Matera. I'm the Chief Design Officer and founder of Tenco Solar Incorporated. Tenco Solar is a solar installation company that started from almost nothing. The company has grown over the last 20-some years to a point where we are doing some of the biggest projects in California. And we're treating each customer, no matter how big or how small, just like we did 15 years ago, when that job was the difference between making our mortgage and not.
I'm Dan McIntyre, and I'm the president of Tenco Solar. We have 3 core values in the business that we're all very proud of. Number 1 is always do what's right. We always say, even when no one's looking, work together. We do everything as a team. We make decisions as a team. We look at our customers as part of the team as well, and then execute with excellence every single day. So we care about all 3 of those values, but they all work in tandem. And our belief is always that if you always do what's right and you work together, it'll end in exceptional results.
I say choose Tenco Solar because we have been in business for over 20 years. We're a vertically integrated company. So from the moment you sign a contract, through engineering, permitting, material acquisition, installation, inspection, and utilities approval, you're dealing with one company from beginning to end.
My history starts actually as a customer. I was looking to invest in solar a few years back after being in my home for a couple of years, and I came across a couple of companies, but Tenco Solar and my experience with Matt really stuck out. He came to the house, explained the whole proposition to me, explained how the solar system was going to work, and I knew nothing at the time about solar, and just the time and the care he put into those discussions resonated with me and my wife.
We service, all solar fields. A big part of that is obviously our employees and technicians. To me, that's a big part of it, right? Making sure that our technicians are safe when they go out to do these jobs, make sure that they're taken care of, because that's all going to transfer into the kind of service that they give our customers. Right? If our technicians feel good, morale is high, and they're able to deliver an excellent job as they should, it's just going to make a much better experience for our customers when we get out there.
The greatest goal of Tenco Solar is to make sure that all these customers who are purchasing solar and trusting in our company, that we provide for them so their experience is something that they can really believe in.
We don't have an install team out in the field that's coming from a third party. You're dealing with Tenco from the beginning of the process and the sale process all the way through to the installation and beyond. So when we get the sale and we install and commission the system, that's just the start of our relationship. We've got 30 years of service that we're going to be there to support you on. And so we're thinking about that all the time when we go to design a system and engineer a system.
We provide some of the longest warranties in the industry. We can't promise everything's going to be perfect all the time, but we can promise that we're going to be there if something does go wrong. We're not going to hide from it. We're going to go out there, we're going to fix it right away, most of the time before you even know there was a problem out there. The reason that you should choose Tenco Solar Incorporated as your energy provider, it is simple. It's our reputation. We're not afraid to do the extra work to get the job done. We have a team of installers who've been doing it for 20+ years, myself included, people who wake up each morning and are excited to do this work. And I think it shows.
At Tenco, our model is large enough to deliver, small enough to care.
When you combine those 2 things, what happens is the customer gets the best possible experience. They get the capability of a large contractor that has immense resources, but they also get that personal touch, that person that's going to pick up the phone and talk to you when you do come across a challenge or you need to have a little more information. Regardless of whether you choose Tenco or another company, you should go solar. It is the right thing to do, both financially and for the community and the environment. So a lot of times on our sale process, we start with that.
My name is Lemuel Fescu. I am the general manager here at Quality Grinding. We manufacture parts for the military, and for aerospace applications and defense applications. I worked with other solar companies for my home project and had a pretty bad experience, so I wanted to find someone that was more professional and more organized, so I found Tenco. They have been extremely responsive, they have been on time, they have been extremely professional as well. They've helped us every step of the way, they've educated us on things that we didn't really know. I would absolutely encourage anyone to contact Tenco Solar for their residential or commercial needs. They have been, from top to bottom, a great outfit to work with, and I couldn't say enough good things about them.
I really want to thank all the people that got Tenco to this point, all the customers who continue to have faith in us and know that we're going to be there for them. I want to thank all the employees who've gotten us to this point and are continuing to show up to work every day and put solar panels up in the heat and the cold and whatever needs to happen to get these jobs done and meet our customers' highest expectations. And the rest is history.